Data structures using C, selection sort. Dear friends, in this lecture, you will be learning the algorithm for selection sort. Then you will write the flow chart with pseudocode to perform the selection sort, and of course convert that into a program in C and then execute the program. Now, as I said earlier, sorting is very important in computer science. There are very many various ways of sorting numbers or alphanumeric data. You have already studied one sorting technique that is called the bubble sort. You have a list of numbers. I want to arrange them, say, in the ascending order. How am I going to do that is the question. In bubble sort, what we did was we started from the first number and went on to number -1 list in the list. And then every time we ask this question, is AJ is greater than AJ plus 1. We were comparing adjacent numbers. If AJ is greater than AJ plus 1, then we exchange those numbers, and that is how we arrange these numbers in the ascending order in using the bubble sort techniques. And the algorithm was for I is equal to 1 to n minus 1, for j is equal to 1 to n minus I. If AJ is greater than AJ plus 1, we did the exchange, otherwise we skipped. And that is how we arranged numbers in the ascending order using the bubble sort. Now we come to the second method called the selection sort. The question is, how are we going to arrange these numbers in the ascending order using the selection sort? As the name goes, selection. We are selecting something. What we do is we are selecting the smallest number in the array among those n numbers. As you see here, there are 30, 20, 10, 5, 2. 2 is the smallest number. So what I do is, in the first run, I start from the first number to the last number, and I select the smallest number and make it the first number. Similarly, then I start with because the smallest number has gone to location number 1. Then I start from the second location till the end of the list and select the second smallest number, that is in this case 5. Then I insert it, I put it at the second location, as you see here. So minimum at the location 5, I have got the lowest number 2, and I exchange it with 30. As you see here, 30 is put there and 2 goes in there. So this is how we do the selection of the minimum number, in this case at the 5th location, with the first number. So first number 30 goes to this location, 5th location, and 2, which is there in this variable minimum, is exchanged here, inserted here. So that is the thing. In the second case now, as you see here, minimum number is 5. It is at location 4. Is it at location 4? Now what do I do? So I have found out the minimum number. Then what I do is, I have at the second position there is 20. I copy 20 here and copy that minimum number at the second location. Similarly, I do it with the third number, and automatically in this case everything is in ascending order. In other words, within 2 moves I have have arranged this list in the ascending order. So this is called selection sort. Again, selecting the least number, the smallest number in the array, and making it the first or the second or the third number depending on the moves. In the first loop, I get the first lowest number. In the second loop, I get the second lowest number. So I go on doing that till n minus 1. So this is the flow chart for that. For I is equal to 1 to n minus 1. I have to do n minus 1 times to place these numbers in the ascending order. So I take the first number as I see here, minimum is 2 in this case at the location 5, and then I copy this 30 to location 5 and 2 comes here. So that is, so here in this loop here, for j is equal to I plus 1, that is from the second number to last number. What do? I go on checking if aj is less than minimum. Minimum contains this. Now in the earlier case it was 30, then of course immediately 20 became the minimum, then 10 became the minimum, 5 became the minimum, and 2 was at the fifth location, it became the minimum. So here, as we have done earlier, finding out the minimum number in an array, that algorithm is here. So for j is equal to 1 to n, I check whether the incoming number is less than that is contained in the minimum. If it is so, I make that number minimum number and get the location for that. And once I will find out the minimum number, at that location I put the first number or and then copy the minimum number to ai. When it is I is equal to 1, it goes to 1, I is equal to 2, it goes to 2. So that is how we are going to select these numbers from the list and then put it at appropriate location. So in this case, I start with the first number and go to the rest of the numbers in the array, Then I go to the second number and find the minimum number in the second part of the array. Then go to the third number and find the minimum number in the rest of the array and exchange this number with that minimum number. That is the whole complete procedure for finding out the least number or arranging the numbers in the ascending order using selection sort. I would like now all of you to write the complete flowchart. First, to write the section where you enter n numbers into an array. Then you come to this section where you will do the selection sort. This is select, and after that again you write the looping structure here to print the content of the number of the array which is in the ascending order. That is what you have to do, and only after that you go further in this lecture. So here is the complete program I'm giving you. I've got this function called function print array to print the numbers after every loop, every move, after I selecting the least number and putting it at appropriate place. So that is, so here I'm inputting these numbers. Here I print the content of the unsorted list of numbers. Here we do the this is the algorithm for selecting number, least number, and making it either the first number, second number, third number, depending on the loop. So then I print, I just want to show you also what the numbers, how they are replaced, and then we at the end we print the sorted array using selection sort. As you see here, I've got these numbers. So 80, 70, etc. So in this case, minimum number is 30 at location 6. What I do? I take the first number and copy it and copy this minimum number at the first. Then I start with 2. As we find out here in this case, minimum number is 40. And at the location, as you see, minimum number is 40 at the location 5. So what do? I exchange therefore the second number 70 with this number here, and the minimum number is copied. As you see, 70 has gone there and 40 is there. Now I becomes 3 and I find the minimum number. As you see, minimum number is 15 at location 4. So this just exchanging, therefore I put 60 here and 50 there, and all the rest of the numbers are in the ascending order. So we have done the ordering or arranging these numbers in the ascending order using selection sort. So kindly now convert that flowchart into C program, giving appropriate number of prompts so that the person who is using your program understands what he or she has to do.